Hi everyone, welcome back to Raymondo Gaming. So we're just going to quickly show you this car, a little fun little thing. It's called a Peel P50. It was a microcar that was actually made in 1962 to 1965 by Peel Engineering on the Isle of Man. It was originally designed to be a little transport vehicle car for riding around the Isle of Man. Now, I must apologise because my son has decided to stick a fast engine in it, so it's yeah, it's not quite as slow as it should be. Let's put it that way. But getting into one of these things, there's a couple of videos on YouTube, and they are notoriously difficult to get into. But so much fun. Look at them, cool little things. So yeah, just enjoy it, guys. I just thought we'd share it with you. So thank you and goodbye.
Turn around when it is safe to do so.